Introduction. Ethics, sustainability, and corporate responsibility are key principles that guide how modern business operates. Ethics refers to moral standards that shape a company action. Sustainability focus on using resources, responsibility to protect the environment and future generation. Corporate responsibility involves the company commitment to supporting society and acting in the best interest of all stakeholders. These concepts are important in today's business world because consumer and investor increasingly expect transparency, responsible behavior, and long-term environment awareness. Company and Apple every this principle build strong trust, improve reputation, and achieve sustainability growth. Definition of business ethic. Business ethic refers to the set of moral principles, value, and standards that guide how individual and organization behave in the business environment. It involves making decisions that reflect honestly, fairness, responsibility, and respect for all stakeholders, including employees, customer, supplier, and the wider community. Ethic business practice help companies maintain integrity, avoid conflict of interest, prevent harmful or misleading action, and promote transparency in operation. By applying strong ethical standard, business can build trust, strengthen their reputation, and create long-term positive relationship with society. Ethical issue in business. Business often face various ethical challenges that can affect trust and reputation. Common ethical issues include: first, conflict of interest when personal interests interfere with professional decision. Next, bribery and corruption, offering or accepting improper payment for advantage. Next, misleading advertising, giving false or exaggerated claims to consumer. Next, data privacy issues, mishandling or misusing consumer information. Next, discrimination, treating employee or customer unfairly based on race, gender, or other factors. Last, workplace harassment, behavior that creates an unsafe or uncomfortable work environment.
Before I will explain about PowerPoint, my name is Norasima. Okay, next point, ethical decision making. Ethical decision making in the process of choosing action that aligns with moral principles, organizational values, and professional standards. It helps business and avoid misconduct and maintain trust. Key points. First one, identify the issue. Recognize whether the situation involves ethical concern. Gather information, consider facts, stakeholder, and potential impact. Number point 3, evaluate alternative access option using ethical principles less, such and almost and honesty and responsibility. For make the delicious choice the most ethical and justifiable option. Number 5, reflect and review, evaluate the custom to improve future decision. Ethical decision making ensures that companies not responsibility and maintain positive reputation. Okay, next point, definition of sustainably refers to business practice that meet present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It focuses on blazing three key dimensions: environmental, protecting natural resources, reducing pollution and waste; social, supporting community well-being, famous and human rights. Number 3, economic, ensuring long-term financial stability and responsible growth. Sustainably encourages companies to operate responsibly while minimizing negative impact on people and the planet. Okay, the next point bakal dijelasin sama teman saya.
Okay, I'm Nardila. I will explain about corporate social responsibility or CSR. Alright, CSR refers to a company's commitment to operate in ways that contribute positively to society and the environment. It goes beyond generation profit by ensuring that business activities are ethical, transparent, and considerate of their social and environmental impact. Through CSR, companies strive to support communities, reduce environmental harm, and create long-term value for stakeholders such as employees, customers, and the public. Jadi, apa itu CSR? CSR itu sebenarnya adalah bentuk komitmen perusahaan untuk gak cuma fokus cari untung, tapi juga ikut memberi dampak positif buat masyarakat dan lingkungan. Nah, perusahaan yang menerapkan CSR biasanya menjalankan bisnis dengan cara yang etis dan transparan, mikirin efek sosial dan lingkungan dari kegiatan mereka. Mereka berusaha bikin manfaat jangka panjang buat semua pihak seperti karyawan, pelanggan, sampai masyarakat luas. Intinya, CSR itu bukti kalau perusahaan gak cuma mikirin uang, tapi juga peduli sama sekitarnya. Alright, next slide is about types of CSR activities. Okay, companies implement corporate social responsibility through various programs that aim to support society, protect the environment, and improve overall business integrity. These activities show a company's commitment to contributing positively beyond financial goals. And this is case CSR activities. First, environmental initiative like reducing waste, energy efficiency, and eco-friendly operation. And next, community support like donation, volunteering, and social development program. And next, employee welfare like and next, ethical business practice like transparency, compliance, and responsible sourcing. Nah, jadi biasanya perusahaan punya beberapa jenis program CSR untuk bantu masyarakat, jaga lingkungan, dan ningkatin reputasi perusahaan. Program ini nunjukin kalau mereka serius berkontribusi lebih dari sekedar target keuntungan. Beberapa kegiatan CSR yang umum dilakukannya yaitu yang pertama, inisiatif lingkungan. Mereka melakukan mengurangi sampah, hemat energi, dan operasi yang ramah lingkungan. Dan yang selanjutnya yaitu dukungan komunitas. Mereka juga melakukan donasi, kegiatan relawan, dan program pemberdayaan masyarakat. Dan juga kesejahteraan karyawan. Di situ mereka melakukan karyawan dengan adil, melakukan pelatihan untuk karyawan, keamanan kerja, dan keseimbangan kerja hidup karyawan. Yang terakhir itu etika bisnis. Mereka ada menerapkan transparansi, harus taat aturan, dan memastikan semua proses bisnis berjalan secara bertanggung jawab. Oke, slide selanjutnya akan dijelaskan oleh Muhammad Fikri Aprilialdi.
Baiklah, saya Muhammad Fikri Aprilialdi. Benefits and challenge. Implementing ethics, sustainability, and corporate responsibility brings significant advantages for companies, but it also comes with several challenges. Business must balance their commitment to responsible practice while still maintaining efficiency and profitability. Benefits: Point 1. Build stronger reputation and public trust. Point 2. Improves long-term business sustainability. Point 3. Strengthens stakeholder relationship. Challenge. Point 1. Requires additional costs and resources. Point 2. Difficult to maintain consistent implementation. Point 3. Risk of superficial action. Jadi, penjelasan singkat dari benefit dan challenge ialah menerapkan etika keberlanjutan dan tanggungjawab perusahaan memberikan banyak manfaat bagi perusahaan, seperti meningkatkan reputasi, memperkuat hubungan dengan pemangku kepentingan, dan membuat bisnes lebih berkelanjutan dalam jangka panjang. Namun, penerapannya juga menghadirkan tantangan. Misalnya, membutuhkan biaya tambahan, sulit diterapkan secara konsisten, dan ada risiko tindakan hanya menjadi formalitas atau pencitraan. Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion: business ethics, sustainability, and CSR are essential for modern business. Ethical practice guide decision making and build trust with stakeholders. Sustainability ensure responsible use of resources and long-term growth, while CSR demonstrates a company commitment to social and environmental well-being. Together, they enhance reputation, foster community support, and contribute to overall business success. Recommendation. Point 1. Apply ethical practice in daily operation. Point 2. Implement sustainable environmental, social, and economic initiatives. Point 3. Align CSR activities with company value and community needs. Jadi, etika bisnis keberlanjutan dan CSR sangat penting bagi perusahaan modern karena membantu pengambilan keputusan yang tepat, membangun kepercayaan, memastikan pengguna sumber daya yang bertanggung jawab, serta menunjukkan kepedulian terhadap sosial dan lingkungan. Ketiga aspek ini meningkatkan reputasi dan mendukung kesuksesan jangka panjang. Perusahaan sebaiknya menerapkan etika dalam aktivitas sehari-hari, menjalankan proses keberlanjutan, dan memastikan kegiatan CSR selama dengan nilai perusahaan serta kebutuhan masyarakat.